Let's make a mountain bike film. First off, stop calling a film, no, not even a video. Start calling your pieces of work edits. Choose a friend to film. Avoid wearing dark clothes in the forest and avoid gloves altogether. Sequence. Waking up. Topics. Injury.
I took a big fall at the beginning of the season. I tore my ACL.
Training.
I've been training really hard.
Wednesday the 6th of May, and there's storm warnings all around the state. Even the Canadae, nature's primal creature, knew something was brewing. Perhaps the only sane place in front of the fire, but no, adventure was calling, and I got in touch with extreme kayaker Craig and Jono from the big city of Hobart.
I am sailing home again.
Wednesday, the 7th of May. Let's go do some Pan Ams.
Stormy waters, to be near you, to be free. I am flying, I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high to be where you, to be free.
Right, that's it. That's all, folks. Be sure to tune in for episode 2 of Tasmanian Sick Edit Productions, brought to you the next time it rains.